Hello and welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are having a great day. So in today's video I'll be talking about the software developer engineer role which has opened up in Amazon. This will be an on-site job where you'll have to be present in office in Bengaluru, Karnataka. So as a part of their basic and preferred qualifications, there are 2 to 3 of them. The first basic qualification is that you need to have 1+ years of non-internship professional software development experience, and you need to have experience in at least one software programming language. So these are the basic qualifications that they need you to have, and as a part of the preferred qualifications, they prefer you to have a bachelor's degree in computer science or any equivalent related field. So these are the qualifications that they have listed for this job role at Amazon. Now moving on to the hiring process that they generally follow, they start with an online round where they will be giving you 4 questions, 2 coding questions, where you'll have to solve it using data structures and algorithms with minimum space and time complexity. Both of the questions will be easy to medium level lead code based questions, and there will be 4 other questions in which you won't have to code actually. So these are your questions that you will be asked in the online round or the first round of your hiring process. Now in your round 2, it will be an interview where the interviewer will be starting with a quick introduction of yourself. You'll have to explain the projects that you have listed in your resume, so make sure you know what you have worked on in the projects that have been listed, and the tech stacks that you've used, why you've used them. Then they will be moving forward with the coding questions. Amazon generally asks you the approach, and then once he's satisfied with the approach, then you have to start coding it. So make sure your space and time complexity that you achieve finally is the best possible one that you at least can think of, right? In the round 2 also, they will be starting with some introductions. Then you'll be asked some behavioral questions like what would you do if you have a conflict with someone in office, and they will also be asking you if you have any questions about the company, and definitely you'll have some technical questions too. This is an interview as well, so they can ask questions on maybe hash functions and oops concepts in this round. And after your second technical interview, you'll be moving on to your third technical interview, which will be taken by someone who's in the managerial level. They will be asking you some coding questions again. It depends on the interviewer how many questions you will have to solve. And again, they will start with your approach, arrive at the best space and time complexity, and then you'll have to start coding. And that is your third technical interview, and if he's satisfied, then good. But otherwise you can also have a fourth technical interview, which will be taken by a software development manager as well. They will be asking you about your experience in the past, about what difficulties you faced in those experiences, why you want to join Amazon. They'll also be looking at your cultural fit in the company, and again you will be asked coding question in this round as well, so be prepared. Again, start with your approach, arrive at the best possible solution that you can think of, and then code it. So again, you will be asked if you have any questions to the interviewer about the company, about the work culture, about your expectations as an employee. So these are the rounds that you'll have to sit for. They don't have a separate HR round, but it's mostly technical. So these are the rounds that you'll have to sit for to get into this job role at Amazon. So go ahead and apply before the link expires. I have attached the application link in the description of this video. go ahead and apply. And if you are liking my content, then please like, share and subscribe to my channel. I do post quite frequently about companies which are hiring for internships as well as job roles. So please subscribe to my channel. Hope you guys are having a great day. See you in my next video.